Turning the engine, 8J586 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Very nice. Same as well the alternator here. All the sockets in good condition. Very nice, very good. And on top, from this side, everything is good. Starter, no damage. All the sockets in good conditions. And from this side, everything is good. Didn't see any damages. Same as well the turbo here. The turbo here is very good, no problem. As you can see. It's not loose. We put this to cover it to prevent it from water. And the turbo outside here also good, no damage. All the EGR pipe here good, no broken, no problem. Very nice, very good. And down here, the oil sump and the gearbox also good, no damage, no broken. And the engine is turning good.